Hey everyone, it's me, Andrea Panzica, aka Miss Andrea. I'm a teaching artist with KidSmart, and I'm back with another Art Apart video. Today we're going to combine language and images, and we're going to see what sort of cool combinations we can come up with. So we're really looking at captions. Captions are the words that you sometimes see under a picture. Usually they tell you what's going on in the picture. But we're going to have a little fun with it today and see if we can come up with really creative and neat combinations. They're maybe a little unexpected. In poetry there's a saying, tell the truth, but tell it slant. So we're going to kind of think about slant today and how things might be just a little bit off and how that can be really fun. So our exercise comes from this book. We've used this before in another Art Apart video. This book is called Cartooning, Philosophy and Practice by Ivan Brunetti. You will need a bunch of index cards. You'll want bigger rectangles for the pictures, and smaller rectangles are fine for the text or words. If you don't have index cards, you can take a piece of paper or two and just cut it up into rectangles. You'll also need a pencil, and as always, you can color after if you want. So our first step is to write. So on your smaller pieces of paper, write a few phrases. A phrase is just a couple of words. It could be a sentence. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence. Here's what Ivan suggests. You could write something you overheard recently. You could write something that you said to someone earlier today. You could write a catchphrase or a slogan. You could write a question of some kind. Or maybe an interjection. That would be like, wait a minute. Any sort of bit of language that maybe you have stuck in your head. Maybe it's the lyrics to a song or anything in a dream. If you take a look back at that improv poem video from a few weeks ago, that has a lot of good ideas too. Next, you'll want to draw. So on your bigger rectangles, I'm going to make a few drawings. You wrote 7 phrases, maybe you could draw 7 images. Here are some ideas that Ivan has for images. You could draw the funniest thing you can think of. You could draw the saddest thing in the world. You could draw something you really like. Something abstract. So maybe it doesn't really look like anything, it's just abstract. You could draw something scary, something boring, something you saw earlier today, or something you saw in a dream recently. So we're going to draw about 4 to 8 images. Next and last is our final step, which is to mix and match. So you're going to lay out all your images on a table or work surface, and underneath you're going to start putting your text, the words you wrote. You can arrange them one way, look at them, and then kind of move them around. Just kind of mix and match and see if you come up with any combinations. Maybe some of them are funny. Maybe some of them don't make any sense at all. But yeah, it's kind of neat to explore and to see what words and pictures do when they're put together. Pretty fun, I think. I hope you had a lot of fun today. I know I did. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.